Hi everyone, Dr. Poonam Sambhaji here, child and newborn specialist from Porvorim. Okay, so I'll just adjust this here. I hope I'm okay. Yes, so let's start today's live session. And I have got multiple very good questions this time. I really appreciate the amount of time that you all have also have spent in asking me these questions. Okay, so number one. I think no one had joined me, but anyways, at the end of this video, it will be, I will share this video. So, number one, Joseph Jose Fernandez has asked me, what is the normal SpO2 for kids and adults? So, Jose, the normal SpO2, whether it is kids or adult, is same. It should be more than 95%. Okay. And what is the normal pulse rate in kids and adults? In adults, it should be 100, not above 100. Okay, in few people it is above 100, and it is at the doctor's discretion that we will decide whether it is normal. Like if someone has fever, then the pulse rate will go high. If someone is in stress, someone is just finished some exercise, someone had just climbed up some steps, then it will be high. So we have to correlate it that way. Okay, then next is this thing, normal pulse rate in kids. As I have mentioned in many of my this thing videos, normal rate in babies varies depending upon the baby's age. Like a newborn has different, a baby from 11 months to 1 year has a heart rate of around 150, which is normal. From 1 year till 4 years, around 130 is normal. From 4 years to 8 years, around 120 is normal. From 8 years to 10 years, around 110 is normal. And from 10 years onwards, it is almost like adults. So 100 to 110 is almost normal. Now, whatever numbers I'm saying are approximate numbers. Again, a clinical correlation is required in all these cases. Okay, hi Rihanna Pereira E. Silveira. Okay, and hi to everyone who is live and watching me. Next question comes, okay, hi doctor, please give me answer to this question in the next video. My family was, I don't know the name, some of them prefer to be anonymous, so anonymous, okay. My family was infected with COVID virus, including my 4-year-old daughter and a 20-month-old son. We have completed our 17 days of home isolation. The question is, what multivitamin do we have to continue after 17 days? Okay, so 17 days later, whatever multivitamin were given to you, you can continue that. But it is not necessary that you have to continue those multivitamins. You can very well start giving more importance to your daily diet. Try including 2 fresh fruits in your diet. Try including fresh vegetables in your diet. Try including a lot of vitamin C rich food. You know, amla, lemon, orange, then your santra, grapes, kiwi fruit. Okay, all these are very good in vitamin C. Try to include them in your diet. And henceforth, since the mother nature earth has told us, see, you're not giving importance to your lifestyle. You're not giving importance to your own body. Now suffer. This is what has happened to us now. Okay, so keep very minimal needs. Keep very minimal needs that will be satisfied outside your house. See that your food is homemade. See that your exercises are done. See that you spend 30 minutes of exercise. Drink, adults, okay, drink 2 liters of water, and put children in the habit of drinking water. Okay, hi Sonal, hi Sujal, hi Nelson. Okay, Sujal has asked me one question: how many times inhalation should be taken and when? Ideally, it should be taken twice in a day for those who are home quarantine, and for those who are not home quarantine, it would be a good habit if when you come back from office, you can either gargle with hot water gargles, or if you have a steamer, keep it at the entrance of the house so that as soon as you come, you can just inhale that steam. Okay, now these are all Ayurvedic and homeopathy things, but yes, steam is a little bit warm, so it must be having some effect. I do not know any studies which have shown that. Maybe I'm not aware of it, but it's not going to harm you, so do it. The next question of hers, the same patient had another question. During the 17 days, I had only developed loss of smell and muscle pain. But after 20 days, I have developed some weakness like shoulder pain, stiffness in the neck and in the jaw, sensitive tooth. Is it because of vitamin C? No, it is not because of vitamin C. The weakness is because of this viral infection that has drained your energy. Okay, so it is very important for all those who are going through this disease, and for all those who know someone who is going through the disease, please advise them to take a lot of water, 2 liters of water. Of these 2 liters, I would expect 1 liter to be ORS, any ORS, and 1 liter to be your normal water. Okay. Hi Vibhuti, hi Vinda. Okay, so the ORS, if you do not have ORS, you can take lemon juice at home. Okay, that is with sugar and salt. So as it is your glucose and sodium chloride you are getting over there. Okay, so that's so your dehydration status must be the reason of your weakness. So try to take a lot of water and hydrate yourself. For that matter, every one of us should keep ourselves hydrated. 2 liters of water, that is 10 glasses of normal glass. Normal glass that we drink is 200 liters, 200 ml, sorry, 200 ml. So 200 ml, 10 glasses makes 2 liters, or big bottle of 1 liter, keep 2 bottles filled so that you can drink all that water in one day. I would prefer you using either a stainless steel bottle, a copper bottle, or a glass bottle. Try to avoid plastic bottles as much as possible. Next question is asked by Mr. Uday Naik. Uday Naik asked me yesterday in the live session, but it becomes very difficult for me to follow the questions there. For all those who are asking me COVID related questions, be 100% sure. You know, in a day, I spend half an hour looking after all those questions, and I copy paste them and put them in my PDF so that I can answer them next day or the next day. Because today's my list is 4 pages. So I don't think so I'll be able to finish it in 10 minutes. So whatever remains, I will answer tomorrow. So Uday Naik asked me, which mask can be used by general public? So for general public, it is best that you use the cloth mask, which is preferably a double layered cloth mask. Okay, I will just show you one mask which is there. Oh, just one minute, I'll show you one mask. So this is the type of cloth mask. So if you see, it is double layered. Okay, this is double layered. Okay, and this way. So when you are wearing mask, you have to hold to these areas and then you put it on your this way. Okay, never hold the mask like this and then put and then do this. This is not right. Okay, so you have to hold it at the side. I have made an entire video on how to, I hope I was heard, okay, because the mic was that side. I hope, yes, could you hear my last this thing dialogue with the mask on? Please type yes, whoever is on this thing. Suvida, please type yes if you could hear, you could have heard me the last few dialogues, okay. So that was the answer. So you can wear your cloth mask provided it is double layered mask. Also, don't wear this cloth mask which is so thin that you can even see the shape of your lip, as I said last time, okay. Don't wear your kerchief on the nose which goes on falling down, or your sari pallu or your dupatta on your nose. Yeah, thanks Aish. Okay, so so you don't wear your dupatta and everything so that it just slides. Most of the time we have these things sliding down. So if that sort of person, someone comes in my clinic, I tell them stand out of the clinic nicely. Okay, with whole respect, I tell them I'll stand out of the clinic, because I don't want to expose myself or my receptionist. We are a very small clinic. It's only 2 members who are managing it. Okay, also remember one thing. Yesterday someone from UK asked me, doctor, very what is that, best of luck for the whole team who is doing this work. To all of you, my team is only myself. It's me and myself. Okay, I'm a 1-woman show presently. If anyone can help me, yes, you are most welcome to help me out with this. Okay, now second is, okay, that was the mask. So mask, double layer mask, which you are going to put with, hold with the side bends and hold on your put on your ear. I will post one of my videos on how to wear mask, maybe on this FB blog, but I already have it on my YouTube. So please do go to my YouTube and check that video. Fully I have explained about the mask, how to use it, which mask to use, why not to use the N95 mask by the common general public. Now in the clinic we are using either N95 mask, or if you can see, I think I must have shown this earlier also, what I wear is this mask. This is called a 3M mask, but this is for basically health professional like us, because we are at very high risk. I never know when I will come in contact with someone. Okay, so that is about the doctors. For general public, just plain cloth mask. What about 2 to 3-year-old children if the parents are tested positive? What about the 2 to 3-year-old children if the parents are tested? Kesh AV, he asked me this question. So the 2 to 3-year-old children, when both the parents are tested positive, it is but natural that we won't be able to separate the kids from the parents. So the parents will have to wear mask in the house and continue their activities as it is. Many things are there wherein it is very confusing for us also to give them the proper advice, wherein I think 3 days back, one of my patient whom I am following through IMA for the home quarantine told me that the husband is positive, a 10-year-old child is positive, and the 8-year-old child is positive, but she is negative. So the husband has separated himself in another room which is under construction, which doesn't have fan and light. So he had just managed to put one small 60-watt bulb there and he's staying there. But the children are not ready to stay with the father. Okay, so this mother is wearing mask and she is with the children at home. So see, this mother is at risk. Maybe she is already, there are high chances that she may turn positive. Okay, but these are certain practical issues. You cannot just separate those children from the mother. Okay, so here the parent will have to wear continuously the mask, which has to fit on the nose and on the mouth, and proper hand washing will have to be taken care of by her. Okay. Also, the cleaning of the utensils which the child is using, or cleaning of the clothes that the children are using, these have to be put in hot water for 30 minutes, and then the regular washing has to be done.